We'll first make the batter, so for that take half cup chickpea flour or besan, 2 tablespoon rice flour or cornflour, you can use any one of the two, 1 to 2 finely chopped green chillies or as per your taste, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain, some chopped fresh coriander, 1/2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Now by adding a little water at a time, we need to make the batter. This batter should not be very thin, a little on the thicker side, so that each egg piece gets coated with this batter well. So somewhere medium consistency. Now add some salt to taste. So this is now ready. So here I've taken 3 boiled eggs. These are hard boiled eggs. Divide each egg into 4 parts. You can also divide these into 2 and make pakodas. But I suggest that you don't take whole egg, otherwise it will burst in the oil as soon as you fry it. Now just before frying the pakodas, add a pinch of baking soda and mix well. Take 1 piece of egg and coat it well with the batter. So if the batter is very thin, it will be difficult for you to coat each egg piece, which is why we have kept a little thick batter. So this oil is now ready. You can see I had added a drop of batter and it floated at the top. Now drop in some pieces of eggs, and on medium to high flame you need to fry it. Don't fry these on low flame, otherwise these will absorb a lot of oil. So these look ready. These have become somewhat golden in color. Take this out on a tissue paper. Similarly, fry rest of the egg pakodas. So I have fried all of these, made from 3 boiled eggs. This taste is awesome. You can have it at the time of snack or any other time. Enjoy!